हेलो भाषा लर्नर्स, वेलकम टू भाषा मंत्र। आज हम पढ़ेंगे टॉपिक ऑफ वर्सेस ऑफ के बारे में। सो ऑफ वर्सेस ऑफ टॉपिक के बारे में पढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको एक सेंटेंस देना चाहती हूँ। आई एम लिटिल डैश टुडे। सो आप कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपको क्या लगता है यहाँ पे ठीक होएगा। इसके बारे में हम वीडियो के एंड में डिस्कस करेंगे। सो अभी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं पढ़ना ऑफ वर्सेस ऑफ। Alright, when we use the word of, OF, here F almost goes silent, so we say like off. But when we have to say this word O double F, we stresses on this word double F. We say it off, lights off. That's called off. So that's the basic pronunciation difference. Let's move forward. Okay, let's first start with the word off. O double F off. ऑफ का मतलब क्या होता है? ऑफ का मतलब होता है जब हम किसी चीज को डिसकंटिन्यू कर देते हैं, मतलब हम उस किसी को और कंटिन्यू नहीं करना चाहते। जैसे आपने देखा है कभी हम लोग बोलते हैं प्लीज स्विच ऑफ द लाइट, लाइक वी से टर्न द लाइट्स ऑफ, दैट मीन्स ऑफ। लेट मी गिव यू सम मोर एग्जांपल्स। The another example is due to the absence of many employees, the meeting was called off. That means the meeting was cancelled. It was not discontinued. It was not continuing. So it was discontinued. We use the words called OFF off, naki OF off. Let's take one more example. Let's say Preeti is losing weight. So she's saying Chavi, these days I am off sugar. So she's discontinuing sugar. Here we will also use OFF off. Alright. Now let's take another use of off, which is away from, to stay away from something. I will give you some examples of this something. The next example is the thief ran off after stealing. Here, off means he is running away from something. That is the meaning of off. And one more example is, let's say you went to your friend's house, but he is not home. So his mother said, Aditya went off to Mumbai. Here also we use off. And let's take one more example of off. The ship is parked away 2 miles away from the shore. Here also we have used off, which means away from something. I hope the meaning of off is clear to you by now. Next we will dig on to OF off. Okay? Alright guys, so OF off का मतलब होता है belongingness या possession, कि हम किसी को belong करते हैं. Like we say this pencil is of mine, this pencil is made up of wood. So इसको बोलते हैं उसको belong करना. That is the meaning of off. Let's take some example. First is they are workers of the factory. मतलब ये workers किसको belong करते हैं? Factory को. So we would say they are the workers of factory. Next sentence is Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi किसकी capital है? India की. वो इंडिया को belong करती है. The last is Swarna is the wife of king. किसको belong करती है Swarna? अपने king को. So Swarna is the wife of king. So these are the example when we say जब off का मतलब belonging होता है. Off का एक और मतलब होता है. That means possession. Now we will take some example to clear it off कि possession से क्या मतलब होता है off का. Okay. Okay guys, next example is you will find a letter on the top of an almirah. आपको वो letter अलमीरा के ऊपर मिलेगा, मतलब अलमीरा ने उसको possess कर रखा है, उसके ऊपर रखा हुआ है. That is why we have used OF off here. Second example is this pencil is of mine, like I possess this pencil. So here also we are going to use the word off. अब off का use बहुत सारे phrases में, idioms में, बहुत से context में होता है. Let's dig it into that. Guys, our first idiom is a piece of cake. I think you have all heard of it. इसका मतलब होता है something very easy peasy. Like for example, I thought the exam was very difficult, but it was just a piece of cake. That means something very easy. So here also we have used the word of, a piece of cake. Let's get into our second idiom, which is out of this world. You remember in that movie, Dil Dhadakne Do, Anil Kumar always says, out of this world. How are you feeling? Out of this world. So that means he's feeling fantastic. That is the meaning of the word out of the world. So out of this world. Here also we use the word of, OF, naki OFF. And the last idiom is out of the question. oh, this is out of the question. That means impossible. So, for example, can you think of any example? Let me think of an example. So, the example is, oh, I don't think you can do this question. This is out of the question. You can't do this. That's it for now. And now let's quickly do a quick recap of what we have learned so far. Okay, guys, let's do a quick recap or a quick summary of what we have learned so far. So, first we have learned the use of off, OFF. So, off का फर्स्ट यूज कहाँ होता है जहाँ हम कुछ चीज को डिसकंटिन्यू कर देते हैं. जिसका हमने एग्जांपल लिया था लाइट्स ऑफ, ही वेंट ऑफ. यू नो जब हम वो चीज कंटिन्यू नहीं हो रही होती हम उसको बंद कर देते हैं. दैट्स व्हेन वी यूज ऑफ. Another word, another way where we have used the word off was to get away from something. So you remember हमने एक एग्जाम्पल किया था, the thief ran off, वो दूर भाग गया था. I went off to Mumbai, मैं मुंबई चली गई थी. I went away. So there we use off. Okay, now let's come to OF off. Off का हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? Off का यूज भी सेम दो जगह होता है, या तो belonging पे या possession पे. Like this pencil is of mine. This pencil is made of wood. Here we use the word off. I hope it is clear to you now. Alright guys, that's it for today's class. But before we go, I do remember मैंने वीडियो की स्टार्टिंग में आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था. The question was I am little dash today. So आज में OFF off आएगा या OF off? Please comment it down. And guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment. Happy learning from Bhasha Mantra.
And listen.